Pleaded not guilty, but I lied, 'cause I committed double homicide. Oh, hey guys, how you doing? I didn't see you there. This is O.J. Simpson again, day 2 of the O.J. blog. I've been stressed out, but I am back in Florida, but still very stressed out. You know, still turning white. My hands are still white. You got to keep those prayers in for me so I can keep this whiteness from spreading to the rest of my body. Anyway, it's been a very tumultuous couple of weeks trying to get my stuff back and then getting all hassled up by the man for trying to get what was rightfully mine back. And people often ask me, they say, what's it like to be OJ? And I say, well, in spite of the occasional harassment, there are a lot of perks to being OJ Simpson. For instance, you get a free round of golf every once in a while. You go out and hit those 18, man, hit the links for free. You also get a free meal once in a while, free hot dog, free steak, free anything. The other cool thing, probably the best part, is you can commit double murder and get off scot-free. Yeah, that's sad. You can only do that if you're O.J. Simpson, though. So I don't recommend everybody trying that. Please don't. But at this time, I'd like to talk about, some of the non-perks of being O.J. I don't call them perks. I call them jerks. People try to steal your stuff. They try to steal your memorabilia. They try to steal your picture with J. Edgar Hoover, stuff like that. And for instance, here's a football I got. It was stolen from me. I went and got it back. And people say, well, how are you going to prevent that from happening again, OJ? And I say, well, I started a security system up. See, on this football, for instance, I put a name on there. I said, property of OJ. See that? Property of OJ. Everybody knows it's OJ's now. Now, you remember my hat? God, my arms are turning white, too, I know. My hat. Remember my hat from yesterday? Yeah, nice hat, huh? Well, that's OJ's hat. Don't take the hat. Don't take OJ's hat. It's OJ's. OJ's going to pull a gun on you if you take that hat. But if I were you, I wouldn't fear OJ with a gun. OJ with a knife, different story. But that's a different story for a different blog. I'd also like to turn the attention to the Jena 6. These 6 boys who beat up this white boy within an inch of his life. And I just want to tell you, what kind of age do we live in where you can't go around hurting white people without getting the man all up in your business? Where's Johnny Cochran when you need him? He's dead. It sucks. And I miss him. I miss him now more than ever. But at least we got Reverend Al and Reverend Jesse, the 2 reverends. And I like to make a little analogy, and for all you analogy aficionados, I'll put this one on you. Jesse Jackson and Al Sharpton are to morality as Yoda is to the Force. Now think about that. That means Jesse and Al, Jesse Jackson and Al Sharpton, they're Jedi Masters of morality. And I'll be their Padawan any day. Now look, I'd like to thank you for stopping by again. Please stop by. Check daily. I might not have it every day, but every couple of days. Next week I'll have a music video. Support me. Help me get out of this. And help bring OJ back to black. This white stuff's killing me.